So what's the UK abrochi memuha? Na when your car akwenshie bi enyo fo. Ana se adokita fo ahwe wa wan hwe Right claim betumi aboa wa ma wagisi kan pimpin bebre. Ya wo UK a lawyer fo etitru ana se ekuku damfo a betumi aboa wo afonko ama. Kosi se we sika no beba. Eno ani se wo be ko www.rightclaims.co.uk. Na wa fill wo form. Wo betumi afre yen wo number ya ewu figure ase. Say ya cancel your flight. And say when your flight delay for over don shremensa. May trek 3 hours. Enko bebia. Right claims betumi aboa ma ahanso wagisika. Right claims. It's as simple as that.
Green Select Glucometer from Costless Ventures. Safidi kitwaya etimimpo esho botomi eboa ma uhunu sugar level abribia. Wana ho diabetes anayarea hodwa emma sugar level. Esote wo brano no. Safidi epe po nkaye baby bia wo bia no wada won so akohu doctor ntem. Na wo dry betimi ma blood sugar no aye pepepe. With Green Select blood glucose monitoring system, you get your test results in 5 seconds. And you 5 seconds per now results are ready. And it's suitable for persons of all age. Na ne boa so de at the form of Call Costless Ventures now on 0205-915-315. Green Select Glucometer, the best. This advert has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
On the Grammys, latest angles about grammar. So far, Shatawale 8 camp and almost supplied more information on the Grammys. The boss himself of SM Empire, Shatawale Ebekani. Now, latest a management member of Shatawale. I'm calling him a management member because I know he is part of the integral team of Shatawale. Your friend, Deportee. So our bachelor now dream or ASN Common Ecosi. Let's listen to what he's saying now. I'll ask my people the good and the bad in what he's saying. Now, me actually. Let's go watch Deportee.
Yeah, good morning, my people. Charlie, this Grammy thing, you guys they take the worry also. They take the worry one of mine. Me the way the thing they go right now, they bore. I don't go lie you. Charlie, Grammy start not today. They started doing Grammy or they start organizing Grammy no be today. Since 1959. At that time we have bunch of artists that they are doing well. I think in 60s or 70s and 80s, I think we have Osibisa. They were touring worldwide and everything. They've never won Grammy. So don't try and come and worry the young ones that they should go and bring Grammy or they should win Grammy. Winning Grammy is not by force. It's not by force. As an artist, when you win Grammy or not, it's not by force. It's not talent. Talent cannot win you Grammy. Money cannot win you Grammy. Good production self cannot win you Grammy. If you don't know, go and ask. You people are just there sitting talking plenty. You think that that's how you win Grammy? It's about the connect, the people that they are working with you. Go and check. Majority of the people that win Grammy, how they did to win Grammy or the nomination self. People are there just talking plenty that because of somebody won Grammy, majority like the Ghanaian artists too supposed to win Grammy. It's not by force. So don't put pressure on the young ones that they should go and win, they should win Grammy and everything. And right now, majority of you so-called industry players.
Okay, so welcome back after the break to watch the item now. I see a D home komono. Na abranti I'll share the friend Ras Deportee, aka Dangote Cement. Wow, wow, so if you don't know, that's it. AKA Dangote Cement, Ras Deportee. I never mean one or say, Ma ye Haganyan at his own winning Grammy. I say my how mukra. Wow, Ben, I'm winning Grammy was saying because your questions there and was a pressure name artist no. Because so CBSA, but don't be or Ghana how we need years in now. Winning Grammy. And I feel say more talent, any good production, ene sika ene be ma for winning Grammy no so nyam boa enye talent enye a good production enye osika bi dem o say e connect sare ma me anyway na Ras Dipoti eka. What is the good and bad in what he's saying? Nana Rega, no best start with. What is the good and bad in what Dipoti is saying?
Because everything is bad in what he's saying.
Everything is bad.
Everything from A to Z. You see, I think it's about time we make some of these people understand certain basics in showbiz. And I say, we are saying, I want to man kitchen kitty boy, so I want to say, or feel the beer was to be comes with in the MB, a groovy. Also, mobile boy. Oh, dear, my empona, you be player back. Any of a Chelsea player about Atletico player about fans no motion no more you don't buy argument. Aqua pass a ball nanka. Ya nje nkwa shen na onye mbobo de ogine chia na okase video osejese ni mbobo no oni mbobo nchen de osejese no but e can grow no, let's admit it. We onum tuni otunyom ope fans ope fan base person to the enum release enum microphone ko streaming microphone ko show on YouTube. They are your fans. You products no omo no mo consuming. So they would want to have some bragging rights. They would want to run commentaries. They want to be proud. Say, oh, Shatawale akakofa Grammys. And as a Stonebwoy akakofa we, Sarkodie akakofa we, Amachi Dede akoji say, Lumba akoji say. They want to brag with those things. It is our kasa na omo kasa ye mo be pressure. Now I don't see this thing as pressure. If you are ben artist na if you are artist na emotional ka cranting na feel some man pressure but I dey we etu ntwa en fa oni de da obeba be your social media en fa oni kasa ye na ebe tena ha kasa etu ntwa da ebe koso saa akosita me wiase bese en na ebe wu ni akọ oye den ya obi be ka bibi se wo wan ko obi ko this anku nim ne ba obi a wo the opposite side na oye wo competitor no the followers ebe kan bibi the followers be huru kakra the followers be ye run commentaries bi a it will make you feel say oh as a wo de enye adwuma kra na wo ye no these things should be admitted in our space. Na enjoy say obi mfa etu nkosi artist bi akonso nkoje Grammys in bra Grammy ni me personally I don't even subscribe to people making it look like and then we are seeing standard. Okay. So a musician now 1 GB so you
Grammy in the World Cup and no the
no brass no brass it ojia and a World Cup
no say World Cup no beat me Kobe and at Samojan or Kromway or be pride in your as a World Cup player no Ghana Abedi Pele ain't me
World Cup very good but it still doesn't write off Abedi Pele's achievements in Black Stars.
But when it comes to ranking, because the World Cup could be if you are not careful, the person who went to World Cup may have higher ranking.
Of course, me person better to say, I say, we are obia, and no na ama omaye emotional na. Omupa na some person mo attacking, and it's not by force. You are putting pressure. Sir, understanding on what said there. Obi dia share Ghana for artists no so say chinchina was so obi anjibi una o claim so your artist there was so unjibi but that is not what it is who ye ejuma no na so fele say we ejuma na o ye no vision no purpose no mission as a musician no sa path ni mu na nama ye ho ejuma na kwaje ye de se na fata e betimi ama wa aginaje at the end of the day no ye ejuma na wu nye osika u streaming si ba royalties si ba na no so wu live good obi ani wu ni asem but if you really think say oh me dey challenge you ma me ye dey I want to be recognized at this place at that place then you do what is needed what is expected be me recognize you in that space. It's a Grammy for space. Say in America, or California artists be an RGB. They are very great talents, and no one no magic Grammy. It is a way to me and GBA. Yan shit. Some of me person make it is hard no more say a pressure and obia pressure. A trolling in aba. A commentaries in a was na koswe sa kasa we be koso within the fan base, within music lovers. Within people who follow Grammys, we need a West African artists. Ultimate case because obi trend because oh and Nigeria for agina Shatawale ni sa akode ni Stonebwoy muntimi njibi ntino mapet nkofon kasa ma won kasa asen kofo bo no ma sa debate ni ba e no omo so mo passion wo yes ono no mani omo nyo mani je wo enum tu adwuma na na space na e wo mu ono no mo nyo mani je fi and then back to us say yemfa sika na talent ni it is a lie brasam.
Okay, so there was an information my producer wanted me to read. Let me see if I can read that. This is one of the requirements. Obetimi satisfy academy no more Grammy now before your song will be considered, and it reads for the digital recording. Says recordings released nationwide via download or streaming service must have quality comparable to at least 16 bits, 44.1 kHz. Submission sent to the Academy for consideration must include both the original file and the product, proper label credits, producer, mixer, songwriter, etc. in the metadata file, and a verifiable online release date. It is a Ras Dipoti, say
quality.
Yeah, quality. Talent. They don't consider quality.
Wrong. Wa too petty to cry.
Wa misfire.
And I would say, they be the Rocky that only here example because one day wa cohoda. You are nominating it. Would say in come out dear. Or see songwriting cry one of the key factors. I bet me I may consider songwriting. And then you need to be very authentic and unique. These are the things our kind. So being unique and authentic now comes with your talent. And a connection now all can. Brass I may say name me Wosika. Na se me pese me ton insu. Me pese be my ton wa me pese me cotton on Nigeria. I need to get like a marketer in Nigeria. Na me need din come na me chance o chale me person beton me so no out me a ton box say ma maybe our percentage in this say me timi cannot tell say na sign contract no strategy so no turn business because haven't I created a contact in Nigeria. Is that not a connection enough for me to sell my products? It is a osika na so betimi ero America kwakohu Pop Daddy. So then they could do me person me this is my dream. Maybe I'm a person me recorded this particular song. My album here be these are the kind of songs I'm looking at recording. I want you to produce maybe 5 songs on it for me. Obeji ma I don't know what they are. Or see Jusika, what you are the KV, wa bonyo mne so correct amount. Maybe I'm commodity DM crasa hakra artist me be promo. We are ultimate link say oh Xylophone for bet me abo say. Maybe I'm commodity DM over Charlie. Go and see this distributor. Say we are going and see Mr. What. That is how these connections come.
Okay.
Enti sikana na ye de pesa connections in any bibia. Enti nesem no kan I see him like as obi awaye emotional be based on oya obi e koso na say maybe because or Shatawale camp na you know I don't know amfa yen side ankrofo atomoni na ankrofo betomoni egu SM4 no so because Shatawale na Beyonce feature no you know Lion King so
the biggest feature.
Yes. What you say? Onu no nya sa feature no. Enti say obi o Nigerian so nya the same feature na ya submit on no nyem na matimi ewini Grammys ama Beyonce. No so nyemu enimonyam she bia. Then definitely people look at you and then people will say whatever they want to say.
Okay.
Enti e bia sa we no mo pese omo you know they want to do I know what can say is it they want on person dummy
Takashi.
Like Takashi. They want to change the conversation
Narrative.
Yes, they want to just change it from oh Anna Mokra already song na mo feature or something to me we need Grammys. And Brown Skin Girl we need Grammys. Now enkofo be kan bo ni di. Ono person mu yi ya di fi yo. Na akwakọ eti okay sisi ade mo ma artist ni na pressure and the industry you know and connections in that enya hwe masa they should do what they have to do.
Okay, Tikin Brian Moore na yes to analyze Ras Dipoti the commentary on the Grammy say enye talent ne dey call enye good production ne dey call enye sikampo about Nema B you know kind about connections the grind there way. So let me get your opinion on that. Nothing to us.
Issue way. but Oruna Omode said forgetting the
Rasupoti.
Obviously, you don't get passport, you say. I will feel fly. But Shatta is good. I never come pen or answer, say. Or name Crawford in your issues are the way is able to resolve it and bring them back. I am a fair part. I am a fair. But Ghana media they under pressure. And not GA. Men Canada Ghana media they give pressure.
Okay.
And then yet a handkwa. Oko sponsor. Hey!
I'll see you.
As a wager. And a player will.
No, but this particular pressure is it coming from the media or the public?
Oh, say issue nearby. Issue nearby. So, we are count public one. No more for the Abeto media. Aha, no more authenticating. Say, BBC na amount for your social media. How move. But say, yeah, they better. Oh no, say no
Twitter.
No man, I know they are fans to fans. But say the Babia, yeah, they are better. Mainstream media na panel, yeah, discussion. I want to know warm. What to say? Why can say fan be can we into Debbie? Only.
Mama can say na multi radios na
multi radios exactly.
Na multi TVs.
Exactly. I don't know muka. Eti media need the on pressure. Football. Met me I say a player we were Ghana sa and on you two quite it maybe not on sports for no yes Emma one player be hit on back say almost with presenters when what me I took BBC I review all the money to Ghana but we are no put pressure say and call outside and so that pressure from the media there we can't count it out. A bar say yeah they be compare near that because most of the panels and other will be our fashions.
Yeah.
And just the people say here a whole no be or no babe can ya. Ama can the other person or Ghana ha BT by a lot of things I man for country a binoma shata say omo country na fine say na on GBT that and a stone na ko and a way na ko. It is all those things are there. A harm most of the artists. And I am who say do baby yeah petty do because a back award honorable. Yeah my mumpo. Some awards king say oh Ghana. Musicians will be on me complain. Say they don't win awards. And yes all more nyom the who had the year and the review all more nyom to me a year pa a year very popular. But it will never win award. A year my who say award reading it is not only about a year de anaya papa. But also at times or connections be our 8 me boy Emma winning award. Which I know and I can say it for a fact say many people have won awards in Ghana and Kaushima near ko deserve no ewo but that kwama another person be a yes voting kwa but the connections be or 8 me my the ultimate a winning award. Okay, I say my artist pressure too much Coco winning award, Coco winning Grammy, which I agree with him. But you can be I think I know person can say, but you can say your quality and yet usika and you know. I think that you know what I can say. Aside the quality of your song, your money, or you also need connect. I don't need find a plug no. It's in your no bet in your plug or the bet slow and also your key because you can have all the quality, you can have all the but so nimu acquire no ways and means now. One thing say Burna Boy no the whole Africa and on the best. I don't think say no the best. But I believe say he winning this Grammy it didn't start today. I do my work and award you can work and win award from VGMA in any award scheme here Ghana be obetimi a set agenda I work it towards it tiring I win award.
Okay.
And I believe say any obia no betimi hiding I win award. It doesn't also mean say when we near unye good. Yeah, sure bomo those days I be play more time no. Now players are never no more but they never qualify for World Cup. Boy, omo itimi anko World Cup. Asamoah Gyan Mike Lacy more time. Or compare the quality of crop of players are never to Abedimu you're far ahead of them. But they qualified for World Cup for more winning a lot of laurels. There was a time where Asamoah Gyan excelled in both Africa and the world. And Anka will be at the for African best player. Recently, Bakubi happened. There was one African player on the African continent. Boyaji African or J Capon. The command says Sadio Mane was said Mares because on one couple Man City Aji league and I say Bibisa. So these things are also realities, and that is the reason why artists beat me back out. Ever cry foul say award where they could deserve it, but when to me I had it enya. Me know say how a Grammy no a choir man for first one already winning. It's a do baby say there but we shouldn't be picking on people and obi cry send the no more there. Next starting there on you ever pinpoint it on no more enye. Send that you move out with your bed because school play one can say or the Kobako winning Grammy. This is a song. Yanidia near the what you say? Oh, ain't say Ebani say now. I think that we have to look at ways and means. You bet me I winning them. Mean say some of our shows, you know. Consistently, you can't how you discuss about ways and means or a baby winning Grammy. An agenda on our mainstream discussion. Connecting Crofwa you closer to Grammys, no. My ideas are musicians. And who say this is how we can do it. I'm telling you, it is not about Burna Boy. Or yet better or best than anybody, but there was a plan. Or they winning the first nomination when and then the second that is 2020. The first one when Angela Kidjo ABT, no, and the next year now what so it was coming. Until you bet me acquire bet me educate our musicians or bet me hiding who or quite bet me their first where we near. I think say and no member what done ye trichumo esa eya ahomete because almost all my badjuma all my badjuma and we have the materials and you bet me their winning be we can't say you Ghana all our musicians we can't get one person you bet me a winning Grammy by the end of the day send a deported kind aside the quality aside the money, aside everything, you still need that connection and the plug. And where are we going to get that plug?
Okay, thank you, Kojo King. I think say 50-50. He made sense a little bit. A bit more also the unfakwem. Where me Director Richie this is from Rocky Dauni. Yes, when he was nominated for Grammys. These are some of the requirements that you read earlier on.
Said bring detailed.
Yes,
contributed.
So contributed. On say photography now.
And then the album, no.
The album branches of the same tree.
Branches of the same tree, no.
Yes.
My contributors no more no.
We put the akati
based on the number of songs.
Yes.
About the track 1, track 2, track 3. The number of people who contributed to it. No, omuna omudin. Blue. No?
Yes. And the womb. The track and your bellboy trumpet, your bellboy wing in a womb.
Okay.
You see, some of these details are the things
some of our artists MSC. Yet Chrome Hano be say, oh, Wabobi Tama Mama 100 CDs into your call. At the end of the day, or the comma, ne publisher and a distributor, producer, Tromidi, keyboardist, Tromidi, songwriter, Tromidi, the BI artist now. While Bonnie in today. So at the end of the day, and I want to say, who read the requirements, no, almost say with verifiable
release date.
Inti se o kokase o me na me verify o the o publisher produced by Shatawale, song written by Shatawale. Asumike verifiable
no ko say Harry Lord no. Director, costume, Harry Lord.
Omo verifier. Ebi ani akohwe ebi Ghana motion baby, yes produced by Qbeat. Utiate, how do you expect them to nominate you with this kind of error? You understand? How do you expect them to nominate you with this kind of error? But anonymity your massive kakra. Sometimes I almost the entire maker said the party cry near 50-50 no. Almost cry now no. Ebi one man metiase. Because last time it said the worker say oh Obibo Division 2, no Obibo Premier League. Now we catch the Obo Premier League, so the Obo Premier League, you know, record go King J Award. Maybe a winning man of the match near Man Television. Now the Obo Division 2 winning man of the match near Man Bar Super. Was a money now we footballers in Tino. Wow, Obo Division 2 now was also called television. It doesn't hold. That's I mean. Some of these artists, the more I say, share you will scan, and your one.
Oh, almost.
That's I mean. Me say and your one.
No, they have money. Oh, they have money.
Oh, that's I mean. Always canon. Always canon. Yes, but to spend. And in the
money. No. Money is not meant to be spent. That's I mean. It depends on.
If you are investing, you are still spending the money.
So the investment, no. Everyone chooses where they want to invest. In fact, Juma was Sami Flex TV. There are so many areas we can invest. But anytime we take a CD, we know where we invest.
Yeah. So those who are
it is
when we are working, na say isikana adwuma na ye de sika na ye penkwan dia ye decide e koye adwuma na e be bre isika back.
But it still falls within the dreams and directions of the company. Ejuma krona company na ye no. And now you sika na because oh that be show ye enter microphone ba ko meka na nye 3. It was opese ejuma no show na ye ne mpempe so ne kosoro. Enti na because ye got microphone ba ko meka sika na o de got microphone o ka se o mi wo sika be me de she mi bottom na yisu tu ni sa say be microphone third one number show na ntumpon.
Enti omo cry foul no say ye mo pressure. It is because say nkonfo na mo di omo compare omo no omo bottom ni nkonfo ni bottom ni nso. Because the kind of sika Burna Boy the video we skate mo betua for some collaborations no sister fear onya no assistance
I know your point.
Assistance onya yes
but can only be
obia obeye.
No, let's be honest, Sika Nigeria for me to pump it into their works.
Yeah,
our boys don't have.
They don't have.
And if they have to, they won't do. That one too is the point.
That's such a that kind.
Yes,
such a that kind. You get the money, you be the billionaire.
Which is why say amount for pick up on Obiti say Shatawalia. The other artists who are crying for another them but when some people are picking up on an artist like Shatawalia, na ono be crying for next answer say because you are the same person who is preaching like you have money. You can be compared to the likes of the Burna Boys, the Wizkid, the Davido, who can pay their way through these big collaborations. And they say at the end of the day, whatever they are achieving, you are not able to achieve especially when baby omukọ ni nam ye no wo so ye hu se wa konam hobia ekoye Beyonce mu camp omu akonam hobia konya bibi na wo so akonam ho na we nya hwe then yours becomes questionable. Which is why people are picking on him,
especially when you investment in film.
Yes,
or talent
because talent you have it, the good production you have it, money you say you have it. So now what is stopping you? We know this is an award scheme. Basami, a scheme is a large scale systematic plan or arrangement for attaining a particular object or putting a particular idea into effect. This is a scheme. We all can scheme our way through to get something done, which is what Burna Boy did. He has the talent, he had the production. He, in the first album, African Giant, he had the talent, had the production, had the money to do everything. But realized, said no, he has to scheme something up. It was such a pobi. There's something, there are some people, some key people that he needs on his project in order to attain that Grammy award. Which is why, so we check it one lineup, Rocky that only lineup now in the buy. So we check it Burna Boy African Giants in one. Now for twice as tall now. My family, me baby, you know. Fans na media ne pick almost. They should be almost share in for artists on be pick almost because enyo mu nyina. Obi to say Nicki Minaj say she's had I think 10 nominations at Grammy. Oh winning ba ko cry. It is our say connection, unique connection. Boss, we need connection change Nicki Minaj. But yet we need be until sometimes no mama can say connection we bibia any connection in check some of these things, some of these details now made it to most of them don't have. Most of them don't have. Well, you there also why a clean album you submitted, but some of these errors are the things which will get you disqualified.
Okay, thank you, Roland. We are wrapping up. But could you now super so can be in relation to what Mr. Pierre was saying from France?
Yeah. As someone I know about
mine compare artists, you know, because they are not doing the same genres as our artists.
Exactly.
I want to say
they dream because
only a dream of
Burna Boy
because I dare know a platform.
Yeah.
Platform I think now also.
Yeah.
I say Mama one example. Everyone say call races. Are you free? A friend is saying you're winning 100 meters. They always say you say both. Every Jamaica but Ghana never say I present you Obi are presenting one from there. You na say whether you pay. No, that never read that yet. Then never done yet. Maybe I go where they need to say landing. Never landed where they are.
Landing, Pom do Koshi.
But still, we are all going to compete on the same.
Yeah.
And you know that's my compared to Ghana for because it is the same song.
No, it's a general comparison. No, I think say it can be done only locally. If you want to when you go
to the
but when you get to the international stage, it's different because we can even category a Burna Boy.
We need best global music album.
Gospel
album, best global music
album. Yes, and you don't want to release the album.
Gospel album, reggae now. So in this sense, they are comparing somebody's rap album to even somebody's pop album.
We sending a
connect no yes.
That's me person me buza say one say Shatawale claim say the whole Africa no know dance okay. Stonebwoy claim the same thing. Pato Rankin claim the same thing. Samini claim the same. Who did this song of 4-4 on Mubako win Grammy sir. 3 normal can make medium ha. And na yes argument. They can't. This is where some of a massa in Komo Weiba. Titles now sometimes also what they tone also the pressure we bro. Because with outside the Grammys in the buy and Obiambo when the shading and I say and people are channel their commentaries to one side.
Ghana wake up.
All the titles we have and people are expecting Nyamabi from you. It is say one fast anyamana share one e bi anka saa we no anka emba up to then na Messi na player waje Ballon d'Or pan o wiase. Ono ye player waje Golden Boot pan o wiase. But then ma Cristiano Ronaldo in share goal you know because say Messi ni mbobo. On share go on two fan na betting share goal.
So far
that's what I'm saying.
The highest
That is
ever.
That is yes.
Football.
But up to now
stakeholders but try no more cancer.
That is
fans will
argument. Obi best man is argument. They say Ushe goes do that then man you golden boot. But Messi 0 goals be change Messi. But Messi so golden boot be change 0.
Okay.
Enti fans in the man
on Papa seminar. Who say we make reference Rocky Dawuni. I say authenticity of your song also play a very major role. And we share a Burna Boy coming from Africa, and the kind of music na oyeno. Ni na abwa ema authenticity ni yejuma. Say Afrobeat and on Free Africa, Afrobeat and why any fine. Say a point a man raising for Ghanaians omo ye dancehall, any omo ye rap. I will compete with omo crowd the authentic culture ni bibiano. Very difficult. And also you're very challenging. Say you are from Africa and you are presenting a dancehall. Okay, they know the culture and everything about it.
Last year,
so
coffee small girl coffee
from
Jamaica.
So they will analyze everything. And we know that our guys are lacking the dancehall tendency. Obia defining it. Oh, me, I am doing Afro dancehall, and Shatta will also tell you say you have to fuse it with our local and so that our people will. But I think so moving forward, you know, this education must go on, and that is the work of the media to educate the people. Sa metadata yeah boy people don't know about it. And no answer what recording. I think recently Shatta call on it Beyonce or born maybe or say church na
you understand.
And look at the huge figure like Shatta Wale in our music, and those things are only what are the media doing? We have to educate them. And some of the segment out there about showbiz agenda industry project. These are things that say encourage. I think say we in bed twice in a week because for them to know now. I feel that people are getting to know about split sheet, sound engineers. Now they are getting to know about it. So if this education starts very well, they will get to know the writings. I believe that winning the Grammy, there are a lot of things that you need to do. Like he mentioned, say Andy Kijo mentioned Burna Boy.
That was a plug there.
That's a plug. You better say no. Buffer say, can one some say you have to do this and Grammy no. Now, fella with where we need to hold it down. Sa history ne ewo. And so getting somebody like a Burna Boy or projected that they trace it way back to fella Kutimo's time. And as I do if Ghana we really want to win the Grammy, we need to have an agenda. And yet musicians no pay. But the whole industry, from the media to stakeholders to Obia, and you bet me I will need that. Said Burna Boy ba match on crofo e boa masadi maybe line kill the bear from.
It will also shock you that Burna Boy himself might not even know this.
Exactly.
Oh yes.
Say Obi and
say I know depend on who team no label ejuma omo ye omo connection.
Burna Boy the only man okay was sign label. But say one the different
there's this Nigerian or tiny Kenya West and recently on this according omiti sa according and then they have interview that guy or some name
or some name be on majority of that plugs for the Nigerians, especially he did the one for P Square.
Yes.
P Square more, and I think
event organizer.
Yes, he's also an event organizer.
Follow through Kakrabi.
Follow na.
Nimu do Kakra through be
and then the only links for
wow. And these are people who are more out there. They are pushing the agenda for Nigeria.
Bankuli.
Bankuli.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is
okay.
Kidding.
So
you see, it is calculated a scheme.
Yes.
Because it is an award scheme. You also have to scheme your way into it.
See by links for starting a Juman. Or starting a Juman said then the media will also
from there.
Yes. Now they won't start to say
this is standard.
No, the whole world starts from you.
Once
Boy died in Nigeria.
Roland Amalte, Event Guide Africa, thank you, as well as Kojo King, GHnews.com, thank you. Nana Reagan, Beef Nation President, thank you. To the rest of the team, Digital Rasta Currency, Richie Flex, I also have Lapiji, aka Producer One. I also have Tina Baby, MC Berima, and in Team Dodo Solomon, aka Chemo.